In this video, I will show you how you can install and set up Google Keyboard on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Google Play Store on your Samsung phone. Then in the search bar, just search this. And from here, just install the Google Keyboard or Gboard on your Samsung phone. Once the app is fully downloaded, then just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on General Management. From here, just scroll down and tap on Keyboard. There on this page, just enable the toggle for Gboard. Now just select OK. Now after you enable Gboard over here, then tap on Default Keyboard. And instead of Samsung Keyboard, just select Gboard. And after you've done that, now if you go to your home screen and if you open the keyboard, you will notice that we have successfully changed the keyboard on our Samsung phone from the Samsung Keyboard to Gboard. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.